Introduction: Why core workouts matter.
A strong core is essential for balance, stability, and overall fitness. However, many people make simple mistakes that hinder progress or cause injury. Let's explore the most common core workout errors and how you can avoid them, so you get the best results safely and efficiently.
Mistake 1. Prioritizing quantity over quality.
Doing hundreds of crunches isn't the key to a strong core. Many focus on high reps, rushing through exercises with poor form. This not only reduces results, but also increases the risk of strain. Prioritize slow, controlled movements with full range of motion to truly engage your core muscles.
Mistake 2. Neglecting proper form and alignment.
Common errors include arching your lower back or jutting your neck forward during core exercises. These mistakes put unnecessary stress on your spine and reduce muscle activation. Focus on keeping your spine neutral, engaging your core, and following proper alignment for each movement.
Mistake 3. Forgetting to breathe.
Holding your breath while exercising is a frequent and overlooked mistake. Proper breathing supports core engagement and helps you maintain good form. Exhale during the exertion phase, such as crunching up or bracing during a plank, and inhale as you relax or return to the starting position.
Mistake 4. Training only the abdominals.
Your core includes more than just your abs. It's a group of muscles that also covers your obliques and lower back. Limiting your workouts to sit-ups and crunches leaves important areas undertrained. Incorporate movements like planks, side planks, and bridges to target your entire core.
Mistake 5. Skipping rest and recovery.
Working your core every day can lead to overtraining and fatigue. Like any muscle group, core muscles need time to recover and rebuild. Make sure to schedule rest days or alternate intense core workouts with lighter activity for optimal strength gains and injury prevention.
Conclusion: Smarter core training.
To maximize your core workout results, focus on quality, form, balanced training, and adequate recovery. By avoiding common mistakes and being mindful of your technique, you'll build a stronger, more resilient core while reducing your risk of injury.